video, what I have here is the T200 OBD2 scanner for all OBD compliant vehicles. What this is a scanner code for where you plug into your car's computer and you can scan it when you get a check engine light. You can view the ECU information, the fault code readings. You can also clear the fault code readings, view data screen, IM status, and O2 sensor testing. And actually just taking it out, I've already used this thing. I hooked it up to my van, ran a quick code diagnostic. Everything was fine. I don't have a check engine light on, but everything looked good. This would be great for any type of backyard type mechanics or mechanics in general where you just need to diagnose check engine lights, O2 sensors, and fault codes like that. One thing that I also found out, you can also check your engine's diagnostic on how it's running, whether it's running too lean or not lean enough. I just changed the ignition system in my van, and then I went and I ran this to see how my gas mileage went. Actually improved a lot. I got 2 extra gallons by putting spark plugs, plug wires, and ignition coil on there, and I found that out by using the data on this right here by running it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the OBD2 scanner. See you on the next video.